Another one of my fashion videos with some styling ideas following minimalist approach. If you want to know what I'm talking about, please keep on watching. Hi all, I am Shreya and I am back again with another new video on my channel Shreya's Corner. In this video, I am going to share with you 5 different outfit ideas using this kurti. In some of my previous videos also, I have used this one to create multiple looks. But this video will only be dedicated to one particular kurti wherein I have accumulated all the different looks that I have created using this one. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. For the first one, I have created a basic look wherein I have teamed it up with a pair of navy blue flared palazzo pants, flat sandals and some silver jewelries are all the accessories that I have paired to complete this look. Instead of palazzos, you can also wear basic trousers, cigarette pants or leggings. This is a perfect everyday look for all the college and office going girls. For this one, to keep it more casual, I am wearing jeans with this kurti. I have also added a denim jacket. For jewelries, I have selected some of the chunky pieces, even though I have used the same flats. This entire look can be recreated for any casual day or night outings. Instead of this denim jacket, one can also add a long neck piece with this look. For this look, I have opened up all the front buttons of this kurti and used it as a long shrug with this white shirt and blue denims. You can apply this idea of using these type of kurtis as long shrug and can pair it with any type of dresses or with any combination of top and bottom wears. Some jewelry pieces and a pair of comfy footwears are all you need with this look. Using the idea from the last look, here I have paired a cotton printed sari with this kurti styled as a long shrug. With this, I have paired a heavy layered neck piece, stud earrings and a bangle. For footwear, I have selected the same flats. If you are getting bored and trying to find out new ways to wear your old sarees, then you can try this one out. This is one of those unique ways in which you can style your old sarees And I'm sure that not only you but everyone around you will love the way you have styled it. Now let's move on to the last look. For this last one, I have again paired it with a sari, but this time I have used this kurti as a blouse. I have seen many trends to wear saris with shirts, and applying that concept, here I have paired the sari with this kurti, as this kurti somewhat looks like a shirt as well. For this look, I have added a lot of jewelry such as choker, a long heavy necklace, a ghungru bangle, etc. But you can create an Indo-Western look with this outfit by adding minimum jewelries and a pair of chunky sneakers. That will give this outfit a completely different look altogether. These are all the 5 outfit ideas that I have created using this one kurti. Now you will understand why this one is one of my favorite kurtis. Hope you like the ideas that I have created in this video, and if you do, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also comment down below which one is your favorite. And if you end up recreating any one of those, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'll share my Instagram ID here and in the below description box along with the links of some of my previous videos. You can check those out as well. Also, if you're watching this video, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 68% of my viewers are not subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me and it's absolutely free for you. So, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you don't miss any future videos from my end. That's all for today. See you in my next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe and take care. Bye.